This area did not look like this 10 years ago or 12 years ago, and I think every one of you know that. We have come a long way up here.
There are 76 state parks. Each one of them has a story.
The stories we're able to tell through this mansion are a testament to the culture and natural resources that are here on this island, as well as its history, its past, its present, and its future as well.
You would be amazed across the state of Ohio how many historic facilities we have. What you'll see is we want to continue to add to this home in the years to come.
The Lonz Mansion is where George and Fanny Lonz lived in the early 1900s, the 1920s, 30s, that era, and ran Lonz Winery on the same grounds. And it's a beautiful old home. We've renovated. It'll be something like a museum for people to visit and enjoy.
3, 2, 1.
You know, this building had been completely run down. It had to be completely gutted. It was on its last legs. I mean, I think some people really thought what we should do is take it down. We gave it a lot of thought and looked at it and thought, this is history worth preserving. It's exciting for me to see it look beautiful today. We hope day visitors will come over and tour the first floor, which is a museum. But we are going to provide the opportunity for people to actually stay in the house. So on the second floor, we have 4 bedrooms. I think they're going to have beautiful lake views. They're going to enjoy the evening on the porch. It'll be a really interesting historic experience.